placing the stickers, beautiful sticker. I'm excited to see what is your stickers. Will have like a neon design together. Here for 60 seconds. 30 seconds is good. I know, I love it too, Mama Vic. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in. Happy Tuesday. All right. I also want these flowers as well. This month's sub box is cool though. I really want that one for the snails. And then I want the crystal around with that. Yeah, looks really cool. Perfect for that, you know? Like some, yes, okay. So I'm gonna open that one. Gonna read this one. And also I'm gonna open this one in the next nails as well. We did some kawaii. I should do some kawaii too. That's one is super cute. Maybe I should do a flamingos. What is this though? Is a lotus?
No idea.
It's really cool though.
Some decoration.
Let me show you. I'm gonna do, well, like the banana. So cute. This one. I might do two, like a dating flamingos. And it say hello summers. That's so cool and stunning. Look at that. I forgot. I should do like both of them is put together so it looks like a heart. Oh, you know what? It has the butterflies here. Look at that. And I'm gonna do, is that a palmless? Look like flamingo. Yeah. Hey, Cece. Hey, Now Takes. Hey, Anayeli. Hey, thanks so much for tuning in. Hello from YouTube and Facebook. Oh my god, it's so fun with this. I am so excited because this sub box gives you so many of cool ideas. Normally you see me use just all the crystal, but then I love the sub box. It's so much fun and it's a surprise, and also it's like have a cool challenge, and I'm having a blast. Thanks so much everyone for tuning in with me. You know, hey, if you want it to be just like that, just you can leave it there. If you want to be small, oh, I didn't know that it has like kind of hot pinks flamingos. I will say hello summer, aloha, aloha. Let's look at Hawaii. Can't see it.
Hey, great. You can get it from our official website at glitzsuccessandsuch.com.
You know what? I think this colors, no, that's colors. No, this Pomeria looks good.
Yes, and what you see right now is Nancy demoing all the stuff that we get from our new sub box, the August subscription box. So right now, if you sub, you will get it. Well, you might not get the exact same thing because a lot of things are randomized. So go to our website at glitzaccessorysuch.com. Link is pinned.
Yes, under the pin. You know what? No, it's a theme in the summer. So when you get it, you get a lot of like you get summer themes like this. I'm so excited too because this one is not even released on the website at all, and the sub members already have it. So I'm so thrilled about this. And what else you think I would do? I think it looks super cute. Look, no crystal. Can you believe it? Maybe I'll do one crystal right here. 1 or 2. Okay. So in order for do that super cute is crystals, I'm going to using our condensed glue gels, which is the first step from our trifecta first step, and we'll go into the second step and then the third step. You know what? If you really like love the sub box for that price of it, and then the great to do a crystal placement is this one. This bestie will give you like even the mega mix of the crystal too, so it's gonna be perfect with the subscription box. If you have to pick one item, what besides the sub box I would do is trifecta, because then it will adhere your crystal perfectly. So I'm going to apply is condensed glue gels. As you see, the condensed glue gel is really thick, which is exactly is the formula is. So then it's gonna hold down your crystal from flat back all the way to 3D crystals. Oh, I'm so excited. All right. Really thick density, you see, it doesn't move at all. Okay. And don't forget the no wipe top coat. Might get the top coat from Lily's station. Can you get it? And we are going to floating on the top of your unclear condensed glue gels. So that's why you don't drag and pull your condensed glue gels away. All right. Let me grab my picker. I got too organized and I can't find my picker. Just this smaller is glow-in-the-dark crystal from a super beautiful crystal glow-in-the-dark crystal kits. I'm gonna put a couple of them right there. It looks so girly. So beautiful. Think so? There you go. Ah, that's so nice. All right. I'm so obsessed with this design. So cute. All right. Here for 60 seconds.